This product has been a nightmare. Okay, so long story short, I first get this product March 3rd and open it up. I follow the instructions. I put on the charger before using it for the first time. And this non-stop, constant beeping when it is charging. And there is nothing on the website, nothing in the manual that has a troubleshoot for something that is, when it's on the charger, it's constantly beeping. But when it's off the charger, no error code at all. So, very first experience with Ecovacs support system, customer support, they were phenomenal. They were very quick with the response. They were very willing to help me. They sent me a replacement battery, thinking that maybe that the battery was defective, and that's the reason why it continued to beep while on the charger. So, cut to, I think maybe it was just a little bit more than a week until that battery showed up at the door. So that was great. I mean, that was a 4-star review just for customer service alone. If that second battery, which is what is currently in this vacuum, spoiler alert, it didn't work. And when I tried, I said it's obviously not the battery, it's the vacuum. So could you please, what can we do for a product replacement? Do I have to ship it back to you? What do you want me to do? So they said, yeah, ship it back to us and we'll be happy to provide you with a replacement. And they said they're going to email me a shipping label. Never got it. They even went as far as to like email me personally and say you should have received a blah 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 blah. Never got it. I waited 2-3 days. I sent them another. I might have opened up another report ticket and asked them, hey, where's the shipping label at? And from then on, I never got a response back. And I checked my spam and everything else. I couldn't see it. So if they did, they're obviously sending it to the wrong email address or something, because I never got back to it. They never replied to the new ticket as well. So that just kind of makes me think that, okay, this, when it comes to replacing the entire product, when it's not a $3 replacement battery that they're gonna give you, they're not going to do that. They're not gonna pay for shipping it back. So there you have it. I am going to return it through Amazon, I think, instead. I always try to go through manufacturer before I go through seller. I don't know. I'm thinking that maybe they can do something for me, and it kind of helps the manufacturer know, hey, there's this problem with my product. Maybe I should look into it. But that's not going to happen. I wouldn't recommend this to anybody, anybody at all. The customer support was very, very, I don't know how to say it. They were very disappointed because they were so good at first, and then they just really dropped the ball on this one. So don't buy, coming from me, my honest opinion is do not buy anything that this company sells. Okay, thank you.
Hello, this is my quick review and comparison of 3 Ecovacs vacuum cleaners I've had over the past few years. The first one I got here was the N78. It still works, it's just not as well. Like on the underneath of it, it just has a suction hole. It's pretty small to catch debris. And then it goes into the basket you take out there. This is the M80, which I got as a result of wanting a better garbage storage place. So I got this. Like the N78, it has the mopping feature as well, which I do use. It's kind of handy. Then most recently I got the 500 here. I got the 500 because it's a little faster, a little more quiet. It has Wi-Fi capabilities and works with my Amazon Alexa, so I like it for that. Let's just do a quick demo. This one first. I'll show you this one. I also like it because it has 2 suction powers, which I mainly use once. I live in a ranch and don't need it too much, but overall the 500 I'm very impressed with. The accessory kit for it, which I posted online review of that too, it works with the N78 or N79S. So it's compatible with those accessories like the brushes and the filters. So otherwise, I love my Ecovacs. Like I said, all three of them still work, but I primarily just use the M80 and the 500. Thanks.